Hi guys, it's Mrs. Devaney. I just wanted to take a few minutes to walk through what a typical week should look like for you while taking this class. Hopefully you've gotten into Canvas, you've worked through our week 1 module, you've looked at all the different Canvas features to make sure you're comfortable with where everything is at, you've read and completed your syllabus quiz with 100%, you've registered for my math lab, and hopefully you've looked around in my math lab so you're comfortable with all of its features, and you've signed up for the Remind text message system. Now that we're actually into content, we should be starting with chapter 5. And so each week you're kind of expected to run through a few different steps. The first thing you should see here is the read it portion. When you click on that tab in the modules for each week, you'll kind of see here some helpful hints for each section that you're going to cover, things that I kind of teach my students to kind of help them remember certain properties and rules, stuff like that. You can also log into my math lab and read the section of the textbook and look at examples there. Once you've finished reading it, what I highly suggest you do is watch it. Just like if you were in class with me, you would be learning the material by somebody explaining it to you. And so you should be doing this. And so if you click on the chapter 5 videos, you'll see that there are videos for each section of chapter 5. You should be watching those videos. You should be taking notes. You should be making sure that you understand all the concepts in each of the sections before you take your pretest and before you start on your homework. Okay, there's lots of other videos as well in my math lab that you can use if you're struggling with a certain concept, but you really should be taking the time to watch those videos just like if you were in class listening to the lecture. Okay, the next thing you should be doing is taking your pretest. Remember, the better you do on your pretest, the less homework questions you'll have because those will be taken off of your homework. If you score less than an 80%, or if you'd like to increase your score on your pretest, you will then practice by doing the homework in my math lab. Remember, you have to do the homework for each section with at least an 80% before you're allowed to take your test retakes. The last thing you should be doing by the end of the week is taking those test retakes. Remember, you have 2 test retakes, so please do as much as you can before taking those so that you can get the best grade possible. And then the best grade out of the 3, your pretest and the 2 retakes, are the ones that'll be recorded in your grade. So each week you should be doing those things. Read it, watch it, take your pretest, practice by doing your homework, and then retake before the end of the week. All right, make sure you follow those things. Let me know if you need anything, and take care.